everybody. It's a bright, sunshiny, and very windy day over here at the Racine County Fairgrounds at the AmCan Truck Fest. It's going to be a beautiful day. Come out and to see all the beautiful trucks and pick up a can of your favorite BullSnot product. As you can see, BullSnot is flying in the wind. Got the BullSnot tent set up. Got all the BullSnot products. And even have the two new ones, the freeable, the penetrating lube, and the removable, the carpet spot cleaner that took place in Vanishable. So come on out, we got t-shirts, got hats, sunglasses, shot glasses, curable, stickers, and then set up right beside Tony. There's Tony's booth. He's got everything you want and need that's Tony Justice. So come out and say hello, pick up your favorite BullSnot, and it's Tony Justice merch. Hope you're having a great day. Oh, and there's my little mini Harley.